Hello lovely viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel again. PB Sencherey is here to deliver to you as always. I'm going to showcase how Kumasi is like, and also like the new developments around Kumasi and Ghana. It's going to be amazing. Tell some family and friends to subscribe if they have not, and also make sure you share with them also. Yeah, thank you.
System ni 24/7.
I'll 2:30 a.m. Wow. These white posts there installed there holds the cameras to surveil the cities. I saw some in Accra, and when I came to Kumasi also, I've seen some in almost every vantage point. It's really amazing, it's going to help protect the people, protect the roads, and make sure crimes are down to zero. I had to also go and join the long queue to get my Ghana card. Without that, you cannot do anything in Ghana. Recently, it has come out that without that, you cannot work. It has to be connected to your communication network. It has to be connected to almost everything. Yeah, I've gotten my Ghana card already. I'm now a Ghanaian, a fully Ghanaian.
Sleepy life.
I had to also visit the ghanaKejetiasecurity. It's a nice place, wonderful place. And very soon I'll be bringing some full content of the place. Yeah, do stick and stay. That's the zoo at the back there. That place with a lot of trees. It seems like a forest. Yeah, that's the zoo. Kumasi. The marketplace is marvelous. So I took a commercial minivan here in Kumasi that most of the people use. It's called Trotro here in Ghana, and it's fun. Yeah, sometimes it's hectic with a go slow and some quarrel and other stuff. Being in a bus or a minibus with a lot of people, like the ups and downs, the talks. Yeah, sometimes it's fun though. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate. As I always say, there are lots more great content like this to come. Please do well to stick and stay, and don't forget to tell some family and friends. There are a lot of bangers, banger coming here. It's from PB Sencherey himself. Yes, I've been doing it and I'll keep on delivering. Bye, peace out.